Hell yeah. Make sure y'all subscribe. JG. Yes, I know, man. Fuck. Ooh. Man, these cars need to move, man. I'm trying to go to this meet. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. OJG. He can't even. subscribe to the channel, man. I'm in here looking at these cars. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm up in here with Hemi Boat, so make sure y'all subscribe. And follow his YouTube. Tell him what your YouTube is, bro. Yeah, tell him what your YouTube is, bro.
YouTube Bam Bam GT line.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna leave his video, his YouTube name in the description and in the comment section. So make sure y'all subscribe. All right, man.
Streetside Classics in the burn.
Yeah. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to TJ. Hey, TJ, tell him what your YouTube name is, bro.
YouTube is gonna be TJ TV. If they don't pop up, go ahead and find me at Clean Dreams Auto. You'll see my face, my pretty face is the logo. Travel, food, cars, guns, everything.
Bet, and I'm gonna leave it.
Instagram, hit me in a boat.
Bet, I'm gonna leave his YouTube name in the comment section in the description. That's gonna be his YouTube and Brandon. So make sure y'all subscribe to both of them, man. Support the small YouTubers. But without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all these classic cars. Oh, look at the Yorkie. Show y'all these classic cars, man. So we got all these classics up in here, bro. This is nice, man. This is nice. This is nice. This car is in mint condition for the year. Oh, we got Giant. Giant, tell them what your YouTube is.
Black Nasty 5.7.
Yeah, y'all make sure to subscribe to him. His YouTube gonna be in the comment section too. So yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all these classic cars they got. Yep. What's up? It's good. I got 2 Chihuahuas. This is Yorkie?
Yeah, she's smelling them.
Yeah, my dad, he got 2 Yorkies. They some pretty dogs, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a C5 Corvette. Ooh, Z06, excuse me. The Z06. They want $33,000 for it, and it has approximately how many miles? Don't see the miles for it to be 33K. It's probably real low. Got a C6 Corvette right here. We got a C3 Corvette. Check that out. Another one. We got another one. No, you know what I'm saying. Corvette gang. C6 Corvette. Looks like a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette C6. 4-speed automatic. Yeah. We got this one. Make sure y'all subscribe. I got a lot of cars in here. I try to show y'all everything up here. I'm telling y'all, make sure y'all subscribe. I'm coming back with the YouTube content. It's gonna be bigger and better than ever, man. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on those. Subscribe to all them YouTubers that I mentioned, y'all. Support the small YouTube channels. You know, you can support the big people, but not defeat the small people. You know, I'm looking for a specific car. But man, these cars are nice. Yeah, let's look at them, man. He detailing the truck, man. Like, this is nice. Got a C4. Man, waiting inspection. So these must have just came in. But look at these bad boys here, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. Alright. We got the Mustangs over here. I'm looking for a boss girl too. Yep. We got a Challenger over there. It's a hearse. Yep. Look at hearse. You got a YouTube channel, bro? Man. Huh? Oh, it's nice, bro. It's this. Got some nice cars up in here. Ooh, got a Z01. Somebody just brought this Z01 in here. Man, this is a nice color. Now, I would like this in the coupe. Though I'm not a big fan of the convertibles, but it's a stick shift too. Wow. That's nice, man. I like that color on it.
Laser jammers already built in. You got race seats in the back.
Oh yeah.
You got, I think it's 2 race helmets.
Oh, you know him?
Nah.
Oh man.
I come here all the time.
Oh yeah, that's man.
Race helmets and race seats, and I didn't even see this one.
Ooh, that black one, nasty. I got 1 LE with the wing on it. It's a Z01 1 LE. That's why I got all the aerial stuff on it. Man, it's nice. It's like it got the 10-speed in it. because they're clear tail lights. Got the Shelby right here. Man, this is nice. Dang, they got some cars up in here, boy. I tell you. So what y'all think? What y'all think? It's a lot of cars, y'all. Y'all, you know, y'all get what I'm, you know. Ooh, Bentley. It's nice, man. They got some cars in here. Hey, E, after here, we probably gonna go to the gas station. You heard me? I said we probably gonna go to the gas station. I know some of them need gas.
Cool. Someone needs gas?
I think the dude with the K5, Kia K5 said he need gas.
Okay.
This place lit, bro.
They're gonna leave or?
Oh no, that's when we all leave together. We all here. Bro, ain't no fucking way. Look at this shit. Dude, they got a whole damn TV and it's mounted onto the back. Now you really gotta take the time to unmount it, or you probably could just fold it down, huh?
Yeah, it looks like it could fold down.
If y'all want it, there y'all go. And if y'all buy, y'all reference me. They want, how much they want? 15K for this car? 15K.
I can show you, bro. It pushed different. Seriously, it pushed different. Like, there's no way I can drive. Like, even if I'm driving, I'll go.